Hello, hello, hello.
We are here at Lowe's,
Today we are at Lowe's
and we're farting.
and we got a pooter. Here we go. Hands in my pockets. Here we go. Where's your bathroom? By the cash register. Alright, thank you so much. Which batteries do you prefer?
I don't really use batteries much on anything, but
You don't use any batteries or anything? So, like, you don't know which ones will last longer or not?
well, I mean, they all have their own sayings about it. Duracell's always been a pretty good one. They, on a lot of their stuff now, they're saying they'll last 10 years.
10 years.
Storage.
Oh, wow.
You know, without going bad. So, they're making them all better. What are you looking for?
You know, just a regular toy, like for my nephew. I'll think about it a little
Yeah,
more.
I would say Duracell or the Energizer. They
The
seem
more-
to have a better reputation for holding up the toys.
What is that battery right there?
Which?
I've never seen one like that. Those little small things right there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, there's some over there too. It's called a short shot or something. That's for a camera.
The camera? Wow. Never seen one like that. It's pretty cool. Oh, they have 4As now.
Yep.
Wow. What do they even use those for?
It's got to be a toy of some kind.
Yeah.
I think.
All right, man. Well, I'll just think about it. Thank you for your help.
Now, which of these sports should I be more interested in? Like
elongated.
being what?
The elongated.
Oh yeah, the ones with the. Let me test it out really fast. I like this one. It's pretty good. Yeah, I think it's all right. Let me try this. We pull pranks on you. We are messing around with you guys.
Was it?
Yeah,
Y'all ain't videotaping?
we did.
Oh, you did?